Alright, the young man and I got to take a little road trip into South Carolina. And I got a little lazy. Took this thing down to the car wash. Cleaned it up a little bit. But it looks lots better now. It needs a good scrubbing. Some of you will recall I buffed it and waxed it not long ago. But anyways, here we go. Alright, we got a full tank of gas. Before you freak out about that, the speedometer is way wrong. We're probably doing like 60, 65. We got some modern devices to tell us which way to go, and we're on our way. So if you see us in South Carolina today, say hello. We're cruising along happily in the hammer lane, can keep up no problem, seems like. Fun, ain't it? We're having to rely on my knowledge of the music on the radio because it don't tell us what the song is like them newfangled cars do. Alright, let's drive. What would a trip on the interstate be without a nice traffic jam? I wonder how many people take pictures of that peach whenever they go by. I know I do it about every time. Well, we're a few hours in. So far, so good. The old girl's running pretty good. They don't burn near as much gas as that dually does. We're almost there. We like places like this.
Anderson Road.
Alright, we got it. There's some of my kinfolk over there, bud. See them? Chewing on their cud and all. That's a... see if you can tell me what that kind of transmission that is. Alright, we got her pointed north, but look at here. Look it up there. This old red Chevy step side. It's not looking too bad. So this is the time of day when a young man's thoughts turn to what we're going to eat next.
I was just curious.
Just curious. We ate lunch like 2 hours ago, dude.
Actually, more like 3.5.
Oh, you're splitting hairs now. 2 hours, 3 hours.
3.5.
3.5. Alright, well, we're going to see if we can't make it to somewhere and get something to eat. We're going to have to get gas for long. Hey, look, a Ranchero and a Datsun. Well, we ain't made it home yet, but we're doing good so far. We're not going 100 miles an hour like some people, but we're rolling. Truck's doing good. Alright, we made it back just before dark. Here's what we got. One Doug Nash Corvette transmission with supposedly 50-something thousand miles on it. But more on that later. More importantly, my old Chevy done just fine. About a 5-hour round trip. 5 hour on the highway anyways. 2.5 hours each way. And if you ain't never seen it before, here, I'll show you. Kind of dark. That's a big block. 402 aluminum heads. Smells like I might need to put valve cover gaskets on it again. Anyways, she's good. Right, bud?
Right.
Don't forget to go to MrHeavyChevy.com where you can buy one of them.
Yeah.
Or a t-shirt since warm weather's coming. I gotta do a little research on it. But it's a 4-speed with a little overdrive unit on the back, essentially what it is. Long-time viewers might remember that yo-yo I was showing one of the kids, I forgot which one, all the tricks I know on a yo-yo, and the string broke, and it's stuck up there in the insulation. It's been there probably 5 years. Well, I just opened the door and it fell out. Don't look like it done it much good either. Anyways, that's that story. That's it for now, folks. See ya.